In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paper trade in Charles Schwab. If you've wanted to practice trading without risking real money, this walkthrough will get you up and running using Schwab's Thinkorswim platform and its built-in simulator, paperMoney. Paper trading here doesn't require a separate account type. Instead, you use the same platform experience, but with virtual cash and simulated fills, so you can build skills and test ideas safely. First, open Thinkorswim. Log into your Charles Schwab account, then navigate to the Trade section, choose Trading Platforms, and select Thinkorswim Web. In many cases, you'll be passed through automatically. If not, simply sign in with your Schwab credentials. You're now in the platform's web interface, which is streamlined and great for quick practice sessions. Next, switch to paper trading mode. Look to the top right area of the platform or the login screen for the account mode selector. From that drop-down, choose paperMoney. If you're prompted to log in again, go ahead. Once you switch, you're in simulation mode with virtual funds, typically starting around $100,000. You'll also get simulated real-time market data to make your practice more realistic. Now it's time to place a practice trade. Head to the Trade tab and search for a symbol, such as AAPL or TSLA. Click Buy or Sell to open an order ticket. Choose your order type. A market order aims to fill right away at the current price, while a limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay or the minimum you're willing to accept. Enter your quantity, review the details, and confirm the trade. Remember, everything here draws on virtual cash only, so your real funds remain untouched. To monitor how your ideas are playing out, go to the Monitor tab. This is where you'll see open positions, unrealized and realized profit or loss, and your trade history. It's a powerful way to review entries, exits, and outcomes, so you can refine your process over time. If you want to move between real and simulated trading, use the top right account selector to toggle between live trading and paper money. You can switch whenever you like. As a best practice, always glance at the mode before sending an order, so you're certain whether you're practicing or trading live. A few important notes before we wrap up. Paper trading uses fake money only, and actual results can differ due to slippage, fills, and the emotional side of real risk. And you do need an active Schwab account to access Thinkorswim. Happy practicing and trade smart.